Hello, we are students of Department of Physical Education, and we are going to tell you about all the benefits of future profession. It's a pity that in our socially people have incorrect imagination of a gym teacher. As a rule, this person is a jogging suit with the stripes, with the whistle on the neck, and without any clever idea on their face. And it's not true. We will prove it. Physical training teacher plays an important role in the life of children because he deals with what they think of a person is health. The main task of a gym teacher is helping children with their physical development and taking care of their health. Everybody knows that sport has always played an important role in the life of teenagers. In recent years, they have started to play more sports to keep fit and be healthy. That's why we are here, because we want to help our children to achieve success and to be an example for them. During the period of studying in the Department of Physical Education at Chernihiv National Pedagogical University named after Taras Grigorievich Shevchenko, students have the importantly to be exposed to variety of sport, dance and outdoor activities and to develop competence in a few selected ones. Among the students of the department there are many professional athletes and Olympic champions whose names are famous all over the world. The huge contribution in the development of physical education made the rector of our university, Mykola Alexeyevich Neskov. To sum up, we must say that physical education is not only jumping and running, it's a compulsory subject which has variable education importance in development health of Ukrainian nation. This poem is for us.
If school were more like baseball,
we'd only have to play
we'd head out in the sunshine
and run around all day.
We wouldn't have to study.
We practice and we train.
And best of all, they can.
whenever there was rain.